Now that we have discussed non-renewable energy resources, we can now start to talk about the future of energy using renewable resources. The first we are going to talk about is solar energy. This is energy collected directly from the sun. Plants and other photosynthetic organisms have been utilizing the sun's energy for millions of years, and now people are starting to figure out how to use technology to produce electricity using the sun's energy. Solar radiation is an attractive source of energy because it is perpetually available. However, the intensity of solar radiation, if you recall from earlier videos, varies around the world, depending on things like latitude, season, time of day, and cloud cover. In the US, for example, solar radiation, and therefore solar energy, is the most abundant in the southwest with its combination of lower latitude and dry desert climate. The least amount of solar energy potential is in the northeast and northwest United States that have cold, dark winters and cloudy summers. Solar energy can be captured a number of ways. For millennia, humans have relied on the sun's energy for passive solar heating of their homes. Solar energy can also be actively collected. In areas that have direct summer sun, can use the heat provided by the sun to produce hot water. Solar energy can also be used to produce electricity. Large solar reflectors, basically huge mirrors, can collect the sun's heat energy and direct it towards a pipe with oil. That oil is heated and used to produce steam that turns turbines that generate power. Photovoltaic solar cells, which are a very thin film that contains metals like phosphorus enriched and boron enriched silicon, can take the light energy from the sun and convert it to electricity. This sort of technology can be used to power something as small as a calculator or as large as a building, depending on how many and how sophisticated those cells are. While the main issue with solar energy is the inconsistency of solar radiation intensity across the globe, there is also an issue of chemical and electronic waste produced from photovoltaic cells as they age and are no longer able to be repaired. However, this issue, while important, is outweighed by the current environmental issues posed by the continuing burning of fossil fuels and is much more sustainable.